Tired of losing track of where your money goes? Most people are. How does someone go about enhancing their personal finances? It's about understanding your money and making it work for you. Whether you're just starting out or want to level up your finances, this is the place to be. We'll break down 3 key areas: budgeting, saving, and managing debt. Let's get started. Why is personal finance so important? Well, it's about having control over your financial well-being. It's about achieving your goals and living life on your terms. By mastering the basics of budgeting, saving, and debt management, you can build a secure and fulfilling financial future. Throughout this essay, we'll use simple language and real-life examples to make these concepts easy to understand. We'll provide practical tips that you can start implementing right away. Remember, taking control of your finances is within your reach. So let's dive in and explore the world of personal finance together. First up, let's talk about budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of any solid financial plan. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It's a way to ensure that you're not spending more than you're earning. It helps you track your income and expenses so you can make informed financial decisions. By keeping a close eye on your finances, you can avoid unnecessary debt and build a secure financial future. Think of it as your roadmap to financial success. Just like a roadmap guides you to your destination, a budget guides you to your financial goals. Creating a budget is easier than you might think. With the right tools and a bit of discipline, you can set up a budget that works for you. Start by listing all your sources of income, your salary, any side hustles, or other sources of cash flow. Next, track your expenses. This step is crucial because it gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. These include fixed expenses like rent or mortgage payments, as well as variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Don't forget to account for occasional expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can start allocating your money. This means deciding how much to spend on each category. Determine how much you need to cover your essential expenses, such as housing, utilities, and food. How much you want to save, whether it's for an emergency fund, retirement, or a big purchase. And how much you have left for discretionary spending. This is the money you can use for non-essential items like dining out, hobbies, and entertainment. Remember, the goal is to spend less than you earn and create a surplus that you can use to achieve your financial goals. This surplus can be invested or saved to build wealth over time. By creating and sticking to a budget, you'll gain a clear understanding of where your money is going. This awareness can be eye-opening and help you make better financial choices and identify areas where you can potentially save. Small changes in your spending habits can add up to significant savings over time. It's a powerful tool that empowers you to make conscious choices about your spending and achieve your financial aspirations. With a well-planned budget, you can take control of your financial future and work towards your dreams with confidence. Now that we've covered budgeting, let's move on to saving. Saving is crucial for a secure financial future. It's about setting aside money regularly to achieve your goals, both big and small. Start by setting clear financial goals. What are you saving for? A down payment on a house, a dream vacation, retirement? Having specific goals will keep you motivated and on track. It's helpful to categorize your goals based on their time frame: short term, within a year; medium term, 1 to 5 years; and long term, 5 years or more. One of the most important things to save for is an emergency fund. This is a stash of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved in your emergency fund. Regularly saving, even small amounts, can make a big difference over time. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account each month. Remember, the key is consistency. Consistent saving habits can lead to financial stability and peace of mind. Imagine the joy of taking that dream vacation without financial stress, or the pride of owning your own home, and the comfort of a secure retirement. Use tools and apps to help you track and manage your savings goals. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, to stay motivated. Remember, saving is a journey, not a destination. Keep at it, and you'll see the rewards. Section 4. Conquering Debt: Strategies for Financial Freedom. Next, let's tackle debt. Debt can be overwhelming, but with the right strategies, you can conquer it and move towards financial freedom. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom, but it's important to remember that not all debt is bad. Understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt is crucial. Good debt, like a mortgage or a student loan, can help you build wealth over time. These types of debt are often considered investments in your future, as they can lead to home ownership or higher earning potential. Bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, can trap you in a cycle of payments. This type of debt can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly, leading to financial stress and limited financial flexibility. There are two main strategies for paying off debt: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. Each method has its own advantages and can be effective depending on your financial situation and personal preferences. With the debt snowball, you focus on paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. This method can be particularly motivating, as it allows you to see progress quickly. This can provide a psychological boost as you see quick wins and gain momentum. The sense of accomplishment from eliminating smaller debts can keep you motivated to tackle larger ones. With the debt avalanche, you prioritize paying off your highest interest debts first, which can save you money on interest charges in the long run. This method is often more cost-effective, as it reduces the total amount of interest paid over time. To avoid accumulating more debt, it's essential to live within your means and avoid unnecessary expenses. This requires discipline and a clear understanding of your financial priorities. Create a budget, track your spending, and make conscious choices about your purchases. Using budgeting tools and apps can help you stay on track and make informed financial decisions. If you do need to use credit cards, make sure you can pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Responsible credit card usage can help you build a positive credit history and avoid the pitfalls of high-interest debt. Section 5. Your journey to financial wellness. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our crash course on personal finance. We've covered a lot of ground, from budgeting basics to saving strategies and debt management techniques. Remember, personal finance is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, but the key is to stay informed, stay disciplined, and stay focused on your goals. Start by implementing one or two of the tips we've discussed today. Create a budget, set up an emergency fund, or explore debt payoff strategies. Small steps can lead to big changes over time. If you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and advice. We're here to support you on your journey to financial wellness. Remember, you've got this.